Hey, what is up YouTube? It's Cody Carpenter here from the YouTube channel Cody Knows. If you are not subscribed yet, smack that subscribe button below and the notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about super affiliate spying using a VPN, a virtual private network, so you can see ads in other countries. And what a VPN does, so every computer has an IP address. So my IP address right now puts my computer in the US. But with the VPN, you will have a different IP address for different countries. And then that allows you to see ads that are only showing in that country. So using a VPN is pretty much a must when you're in affiliate and CPA marketing, because spying is such a huge thing and VPNs allow you to see what's working well in other countries. I just found out about this VPN that I'm using a few days ago, and I don't know why I've been in this affiliate marketing game for so long without a VPN. It's really opened my eyes. So anyways, before I get into that, I want to show you some results, because you guys would not believe how many Facebook messages I get asking, Cody, are your methods still relevant in 2019? Are you still making money with Bing ads? And the answer is yes. This is one of the cake networks that I'm in, and this is 100% Bing ads traffic alone to this cake network. So yes, these methods still work. So this is kind of just for you guys who keep on asking me, Cody, is your training still relevant? And I get it, because when I buy training courses, I want to know if the person teaching the training course is still using the methods that they're promoting, you know. So I get it, and here's your proof. So this month has started off pretty good. I'm almost at 5,000, and it's May 9th. Last month I did 9,300. My goal is to get up to 15,000 for the month of May. And so we're at 646 today, 7 conversions. But as you can see over here, it says 552. I don't know what it is. I think if I get a sale close to midnight, this little section right here will show 7, and then this little section will show 6, even though I'm on the same central daylight time. So I don't understand that, but I know some of you guys might have been thinking like, whoa, the numbers aren't matching up. What's going on here? Is he scamming us? No. So anyways, I'll show you some daily stats for the month of May. The month of May has been so awesome. I'm really starting to scale out a few campaigns. So as you can see, not every day is going to be a knockout home run where I'm making $400 profit. I spent close to $200 on May 3rd, so I lost about $100. And those days, they do suck, but you guys got to know that on the days where you lose some money, if you're tracking properly, you can dive in and see why are you losing money. Are the men not buying? Are the women not buying? Are 18 and 24 just completely not buying because that younger age group probably doesn't have enough money, or they have a lower income level than the older people, etc. You just got to find out what age ranges, which genders are working, focus your money on there. So that's a little motivation. And now I'm going to get into the advanced spying with the VPN. So I'm going to use the same offer I've been using in Max Bounty. I figure it's easier this way. This is tinnitus 911. Still haven't figured out how to say it. So many people say it differently. I'm sticking with tinnitus. Even if it's wrong, I don't care. I made a case study video about that. If you haven't seen the Bing Ads direct linking case study video, I'll put a link up in one of these cards. Definitely go and watch that. It's about an hour long. And then also watch the part 2 of the case study, because I show you on day 5 how I got it up to like 7 sales. So there's a lot of information in that. But anyways, I'm going to use this example for spying in different countries. So let's say that we wanted to create let's say we wanted to create a campaign just in Canada, none of the other countries, just in Canada, because let's say you found out by testing all the countries that Canada was your best converter. Now what you should do is go and see the ads in Canada, not just the ads that are showing in the US. So one way to do this, you go to Yahoo, or I just googled Yahoo Canada, then click on ca.yahoo.com. So you can just type that in if you don't want to Google search Yahoo Canada. And then just type in tinnitus. So this is where it gets a little tricky, because right now our computer is in the US and we are on the Canada search page, but some ads might be excluding the US and they're only targeting Canada. And if that was the case, I mean, we're in the US, they think we're in the US still, we wouldn't see those ads. So these ads are probably the ads that are showing in multiple countries. So what I like to do is pull up Hide My Ass Pro. This is the VPN. I swear the actual name is Hide My Ass. It's actually pretty funny. It's super nice. It's only like $12 per month, and there's a whole bunch of subscription packages. If you do the 3-year package, I think it gets cut down to like $3. So 36 months at $3, and it's a one-time payment. So it's a little over $100. That's what I did a few days ago. And I'm just so excited to have this because it's so simple to use and it's very effective. And I will have a link to get Hide My Ass Pro in the description. Just go to the description, click the link if you want to get this Hide My Ass Pro VPN. So I have Canada pulled up, and all I have to do is this. I just connect. And then it'll take a little while. And then something will pop up and say connection secured. Connected via Canada, Toronto. So we are basically in Canada right now. So I'm going to go and refresh the page. So let's say that this ad, that it didn't show up for us right away because we were in the US. Maybe these guys are just targeting the Canada, and they're excluding the US. So then we wouldn't have been able to see this ad if we didn't use the VPN. So very interesting stuff. The Canada Yahoo search engine, they don't have the ads that we have in the US when we go to the bing.com and search for it, because we have the little bubble right here that says ad, but these guys have ads related to tinnitus right above it. And then they have this little dark line where the ads stop at. So that's interesting. And then, right here is another ad. So now you can just get ideas from ads that are purely running in Canada. So that's pretty cool. It's very useful to do this because some offers, let's say that they only allow traffic from the UK. Then you wouldn't be able to see any types of ads unless you use the VPN and you said that your computer was in the UK. That would allow you to see the ads in the UK. So this is a very, very powerful tip right here. I want to go over another example. So here's inside of one of my Bing Ads campaigns. So for this campaign, I set it up like a few days ago, and I'm only targeting the country Australia, and I'm only targeting women as well. But what you do, you just go to Dimensions and go to Publish Your Website, and you can see most of the clicks came from Bing and Yahoo search properties only. Not a big surprise, but there's also a few other websites that are giving us clicks. So this one right here, dogpile.com. Next, duckduckgo.com. And then xsearch, maxwebsearch.com, info.co.uk. I don't know why the UK is on here because I'm only targeting Australia. But anyways, what we can do is just highlight duckduckgo.com and then let's go to it. And remember, right now we are still in Canada. So I'm going to go to change location and just choose UK. And then I'll have to disconnect and then reconnect. And we'll just wait for that. Voila. We are in the UK. So you always got to remember to refresh once you use the VPN. So now let's type in tinnitus. Let's even go tinnitus causes and cures. So this ad right here is solely in the UK. Fight tinnitus 911. Discover a simple all-natural solution to clear tinnitus in 30 days. From $4.95 per bottle, read the text-only version. So these are some pretty good site link extensions right there. It's unique that they only chose to use one line of text. I find that pretty interesting too. Maybe that works good. Maybe they've tested ads that had longer text versus ads that only had one sentence, and the one sentence outperformed the others. Because people are kind of lazy sometimes, so they don't like to read a lot. But, I mean, you could swipe this ad right here. And then we could go click on it, see if they're using a website, or, a landing page, and that didn't work when I clicked on the ad. But anyways, that's just a very, very useful way to start spying. Once again, if you're interested in getting Hide My Ass Pro, the link is in the description. You can get this software for $12 a month if you don't want to do the full package. There's other package like a year, 2 year, 3 year. Obviously the 3 year is the best at $3 per month. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys got a lot of value out of that. Remember to check out other publishers. Just go to Dimensions, publish your website, and then continue your spying on these websites instead of just using Bing and Yahoo search properties only. So that is it for this super affiliate spying technique for Bing ads. I hope you got a lot of value. If you did, drop a like, leave a comment. I really appreciate comments. The more comments I get, the more motivated I am to keep providing value on my YouTube channel. So anyways, that's it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.